This motorcycle brand shut down in its home country. It should have died there. Instead, India kept it alive and turned it into a global icon. In 1901, Reddish, England, Royal Enfield built its first motorcycle. For a decade, it is a respected British brand. In 1949, Royal Enfield started getting imported into India. In 1955, the Indian government needed a rugged bike for border patrol. They chosen Bullet 350. Royal Enfield partnered with Madras Motor to assemble bullets in Chennai, a company called Enfield India. Then came the twist. Back in Britain, the motorcycle industry collapsed under Japanese competitor. The original Royal Enfield factory shut down in 1967. The company was dissolved by 1971. The British brand was gone. But in India, the Bullet never stopped rolling off the line. Enfield India kept building the same bike for decades for the army, the police, everyday rider like us. In 1994, Addpro Motor acquired the struggling company. Things got worsened before they got better. Sales was near collapse and the Jaipur plant even shut down in 2002. That's when Siddharth Lal took charge. He didn't chase speed or compete with Japanese bike on specification. He doubled down on what made Royal Enfield different. Its character, better engine, better reliability, same classic soul. He built a riding community around the brand, not just as a customer base. The result, Royal Enfield became the world-leading mid-size motorcycle brand, selling over 1 million bikes a year and reviewing a name that already died once. Here is what most manufacturers miss. Royal Enfield didn't win by copying the competition. They won by getting sharper about what made them different and building a community around it. I am Nandan from Addpro Network. We help manufacturers find and communicate what actually makes them different. So buyers choose you, not just the cheapest option. DM Enfield, I will show you how your brand looks through your buyer eyes. Thanks for watching.